Hi everyone, and welcome to the fifth video in this tutorial on how to create a glider using Tinkercad. In the last lesson we learned how to create the elastic slot for our glider, and in this video we're going to learn how to create the wings of the glider. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my basic shapes and I'm going to place a box onto the work plane, and I'm going to change the dimensions. So the kind of width here is about 120. You'll have to make sure that this fits on your 3D printer or laser cutter. I'm going to also change the kind of length or the dimension here to about 40, and then I'm going to change the thickness again. It'll depend on your material to around 2 mil. And you might want to change this on your design. And once we've got the kind of front set of wings here, we're going to click on the box and we're going to go to duplicate, and it's just going to make a copy of that. Because now what we can do is we can just change the dimension of the second set of wings. So I'm going to change this to 40, and then this dimension here to roughly 15. So I've roughly got both set of wings here. And what I'm going to do is just kind of try and match them up as best as I can. So again, you might want to change the side view. I'm going to use the orthographic view again. And again, what you want to do is just use the kind of black arrow here pointing upwards just to move it into a rough position. And again, we're going to do that for the front and the back, like so. I'm just going to move it roughly into position. But again, what we need to do is just make sure that they're kind of centered. So I'm going to select everything. So I'm going to select all bodies here, and then just go to the top where it says align. And I'm just going to make sure that everything is aligned perfectly. And once you've done that, you have successfully created your glider. And you might want to go back in and change a few dimensions. You might want to change the thickness of the wings here, maybe to 1 mil, depending on your 3D printer or your materials, and just have a play around with it and make some different and cool designs.